What is up, everyone? Today we will be reviewing the Ryobi 18-volt multi-tool. So, I bought this. I've been needing one of these because I needed a versatile cutting tool. We have a couple of these. I need one for my own personal use. And so we're gonna unbox it. I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit about it. We're gonna try it out. I'm gonna cut off these pocket hole plugs and we're gonna test it out and see how it does. So first of all, it's 18 volts. This is just the tool. Doesn't come with the batteries. I bought it because I have batteries. I have Ryobi drills and I figured I could just use the same battery. And when I bought it, I thought it was just the multi-tool, and it actually, you can change the head and you can add different attachments. If you hear, look on here. So you can add a impact head, impact driver head, right angle drill head, the multi-tool head, an auto hammer head, a reciprocating saw head, and a jigsaw head. So that's 6 tools in one, and also the sanding head, which is part of the multi-tool. You can sand with it. 18 volts, 20,000 OPMs, which is orbits per minute. It weighs about 2 pounds, so it's not heavy at all. Let's go ahead and open it up and see. So with the multi-tool, you can attach different blades to cut different materials, drywall, metal, wood, plastic, composite, many other materials, and a sanding head to sand fine details. So here's the tool. Here's the magnetic tray. And it comes with one cutting attachment, the universal attachment goes on here. Oh, another cutting. So it comes with 2 cutting heads and 1 detail sanding head. And some sample sanding pads. This is good for cabinets. The universal adapter makes this compatible with different types of blades, different attachments. Let's say, for example, I can go buy a Dremel blade and put it on this Ryobi tool. It also has a built-in LED light, which helps when it's a little bit dark wherever you're working. And it's part of the Ryobi One system cordless tools, so that means any battery from the Ryobi One system will fit with this. At around 80 bucks, you can't beat that, for something that can turn into multiple tools. Here I'm attaching the wood cutting blade, and that wood cutting blade you can set in multiple positions, so the tool head allows you to move the blade around in different positions so you can reach different areas. Next, we're going to change the head. So it says lock the trigger. One hand. And that's it. Oh. Alright, so then these are all the other ones that are compatible with it. And to slide it in, you just slide it until it clicks. Again, you lock it, one hand this, and there you go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was our test and review of the Ryobi 18-volt multi-tool. Again, I think this is a great option for the DIY person, for the homeowner that doesn't use this very much, doesn't use it every day. But it's very versatile. You have a lot of different options with it, and it's basically, you can turn it into 6 different tools. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next tool review.